What's happening, YouTube? Boy Tech TRX back on another video, and today we're going to show you another smart home lock for your home. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify my next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's look at the Sentry Video Doorbell and the Aegis Smart Door Lock by BOSMA. Here we go. Today we're going to unbox this and show you what it could do and see how well it does as well. Now let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Installation. It's a manual right there. Let's put that on the side for now. And this is the lock and the doorbell. There you go. Pretty hefty device right here. There you go. Let's put that on the side for now. And the doorbell right here. There you go. Comes with a few accessories to install the doorbells. There you go. Some screws. Drill bit right there. Pretty good. And some batteries for your lock. It also comes with the different size. Depends on what kind of door you got. There you go. That's for the lock. Pretty good. And that's it. The video doorbell is about 1080p, full HD video, so that's good. 180 degree camera lens and capture a broader view. It also has a 180 degree camera lens, so that's pretty good. It also has accurate motion detection. There's a two-way audio as well where you can talk and listen at the same time, like a phone call. It's pretty good. Voice message where you can leave voice message to your visitors. Color night vision, so that's good. You can see clarity during the night. Smart hub works with BOSMA peripheral devices such as door sensors, motion detector, and night light without having an actual hub. This could be your hub right here. There's also a cloud or local storage up to 128 gigs of micro SD card. Basically, the BOSMA has a fingerprint sensor at the front right here, which is detachable just like that if you don't want it. Up here, there's a PIR detection where you can detach as well from the doorbell if you don't want it, just like that. The doorbell itself is just like this with the camera up here. So if you want to install it, it's really small, very handy, right? And then if you want to add in the other extra features, which is the PIR sensor for 3D rendering and the fingerprint, you'll be able to do that as well. Up here, as you could see, you'll be able to put the micro SD card right there for playbacks. Back here, this is the humidity sensor right there module. So BOSMA was able to install these different modules on their smart door lock, their Sentry. And it's nice to have these features. Normally, if you buy a doorbell, there's no way to attach or detach anything on it. But BOSMA was able to add on to that. So that's pretty cool. You'll be able to use your existing keys. So that's a pretty good feature right there. You don't have to buy a new deadlock or anything like that. You'll be able to use this on your existing deadlock. There's also the auto lock and the auto unlock when you come and leave the house. There's also strong encryption apparently, which is AES 128 encrypted. I'm not really sure what that is, so for those of you who are nerds out there who knows what this is, comment below. Door breaking detection, it would detect that as well if it's someone's trying to get into your house. Phone access, you'll be able to unlock your door or lock your door from your phone. There's also a fingerprint access, which is pretty good. I think the fingerprint access is on the doorbell. When you're coming in, you just put your fingerprint right there, your finger right there, and it'll read it. There's also a remote access where if you have a rental property or something like that, someone's renting in your place, Then you can use this, great for Airbnbs, right? For those of you who has Airbnbs, great for that. And you can also add family members, grant temporary guest access, like I said, for Airbnbs. Now let's go ahead and install this. Here we go. We have our BOSMA doorbell right here. We just need to power this up by just plugging it in right there. Or you can use this top part right there to hook it up. Do that right now. Right there. There you go. It would have it turn blue right there. We take our phone right here and open up the BOSMA app. Once you're into the app, make sure to register. Once you are good to go, right here, we're just gonna press add device, and then we're just gonna look for the Sentry right there. As you can see there, yes, we have it right there, blah, blah, blah. The blue light is on. Press next. And then we're going to change it to a 2.4 hertz signal. Our Wi-Fi needs to be on a 2.4. You can't do it on a 5 gigahertz because it won't work. There you go. Once you're connected, you can go ahead and punch in your password. Once you're good to go, hit next. Scan the QR code. There you go. And all you need to do is just let the Sentry read it.
Wi-Fi is connecting.
There you go. Once you've heard the Wi-Fi connecting, hit that button right there.
Wi-Fi connected successfully.
There you go. Pretty good. Let's put this as front door BOSMA. There you go. Hit OK. And that's pretty good. That's it. That's all. If there's an update, you will need to update your device. But if it's good to go, then you should be able to just hit play right here. Right there, if there's an update, you can just hit update now. And then you'll be able to update your BOSMA right here and now. There you go.
A few moments later.
There you go. Once everything is good, you'll say that update is successful. Let's hit back. Here, as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can use for. There you go. As you can see there, you'll see myself. There you go. Pretty good wide angle there. Very nice. So you can see even the side here is a little bit distorted, but you kind of need that when you want to capture the whole front door. So that's pretty good. You can also put that as full screen right there. There you go. Pretty good. Now there are a few features that this one has, like taking a photo right there. There you go. You can take a photo of whoever's in the front if you want to remember that. There's also taking a video right there, so you could see it'll record whatever's going on in the front of your screen. So that's pretty good as well. There you go. You can preview it and hit play. Pretty good. It'll record the sound as well. It'll record the sound as well if you didn't mute it. There's also the SOS. There you go. Where it'll emit a loud siren sound to frighten the people that is on your front door. So let's hit. There you go. Let's turn that off now. So it's pretty good. Just to scare him off, right? If someone is intruding there. On the motion detection as well, you'll be able to see that in the front right there. And then you'll get a notification like so, that there's a motion event detected right there. There's also a away mode where you can hit and say that you are away, you're not at home right now. Let's look at the settings now. There's also the facial recognition, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and add our face on here. So take a photo right there. Access the camera. There you go, use photo. So with this, with the AI, it'll have a facial recognition, and it'll recognize that it's your face, and it'll be able to detect you. It'll also know that it's you that is in the front door. There's also a voice message when you are away. You can record your own by having a response right there if you are away. There's also an LED light where you can have it automatically turn on, or you can have it turn on just like that. So also the fingerprint scanner right there, where you can unlock this one is you'll be able to unlock your front door if you have the lock installed in your house. Let's add our fingerprint right here, down here. There you go. Scan again and again. There you go. Pretty quick. It's kind of like the TouchID, right? So that's pretty good. There's also the image orientation right there, as you could see. Color night vision, so that's pretty good. You can also turn that on. It's nice. There's the image parameters where you can change it as well depending on if you want more brightness, contrast, saturation, or sharpness. There's also the WDR, which improves your image quality in high contrast scenes. I usually just keep that turned on. You can also change different things right here. You can put an SD card as well, so that it'll use that to save a bunch of your footage onto the SD card. There's also the Wi-Fi settings and whatnot. Pretty good. Gotta take this part off, and then take that and then put this right onto there, and then use the original bolt that came onto your deadbolt. So there you go. Once you are ready, you just tighten this up. Make sure the middle part aligns with it too before you tighten it up. Once you're good enough, you could test it out. There you go. Now there's two latches here. There's a small one and there's a big one. Make sure that lines up with the block thing that we've installed. Once you're ready to go, it has to be flattened down like that. It shouldn't go there by force. It should be good enough like that. And then once you're good to go, just put down the flaps. Open that up, no problem at all. Next step is to take this front off, and we're gonna put in the batteries that are provided in the box. So putting on the batteries are pretty easy. So make sure these red ones are out there, so that when you have the battery in there, you can pull this out just like that. You'll be able to pull out the battery, no problem. There you go. Once good to go, there's also the reset button in there, and then just put on the cap and you should be good to go. Once you're good to go ahead and open up the app again and hit the plus button to add a new device. Now we're gonna go with Aegis down here. There you go. And then the front cover, it says there that to long press the reset button. Let's see if it recognizes it. There you go. Added the device successfully. Pretty good. Now let's change this up to front door and calibrate. There you go. Make sure you install that correctly, which we did. Select the door. It's this one. Hit next. Okay, hit next. Unlock the door. I think it is unlocked right now. Okay, let's hit next. Now let's go ahead and open the door. About 60 degrees, enough space for you to walk in. Okay, hit next. Please close the door after the door is fully closed. Continue to the next step. Okay, let's close the door again. Hit next again. There you go. Now we can go ahead and lock the door. There you go. Good to go. And then hit next. Turn Aegis to manually to unlock the door. Go ahead and unlock this again. There you go. Hit next. Calibration is successful. There you go. Now with this, you'll be able to select period. We can go ahead and select the Sentry and the Aegis. Hit next. There you go. I just have so that you guys can see on the camera. On the bottom there is the Sentry. And then up here is the Aegis. There you go. And then this is the phone right here. Let's go ahead and hit next on that. Hit pair. Added successfully, and okay. It's pretty good. Let's go ahead and hit the front door right here, just for example. Let's go ahead and hit tap unlock. There you go. It'll make that sound that it's unlocked, and that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and lock the door again. There you go. This cover right here, you can put it whatever you want. So maybe if it's locked, you want it so that the name is on there properly, you could do that as well. Now that we paired the Sentry with the Aegis, you'll be able to go to the Sentry side of the app. What we could do now is unlock and lock the door from here, or we can use the fingerprint sensor as well. Let's try that out. Now let's go ahead and see if our fingerprint sensor will work to unlock the door. So you can see there, it's able to unlock it. Pretty good. So the other things, there's a lot of settings for the Aegis. Basically, you can add different guests right here. There's also the auto unlock. So for example, you are away and you want to auto unlock on the location. You want to change your location to always. There you go. Then as you could see here, you'll be able to turn that on. Now you could change your home location right there. Hit save, and then when you're near it, you'll be able to auto unlock your locks. It'll also auto lock it. Auto lock when the door is closed. So turn it on. There you go. Let's test that out. So let's unlock this. Let's open up the door. Because the other feature of the Aegis is that it'll detect if your door is open or closed as well. See, as you could see here, your door is unlocked. There you go. Let's go ahead and close the door now and see if it'll lock itself. There you go. And as you could see, I didn't do anything. As soon as it closes the door, it detects it and then it locks the door. Very nice. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Sentry by BOSMA and the Aegis by BOSMA. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified of the next videos to come just like these ones. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. I definitely recommend this for those of you who doesn't want to break the bank but still want different features like a module or maybe even a LiDAR sensor for your home, and also auto detection on even if auto lock and auto locks your door. So that's pretty good. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.